Hi everyone! So welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rain, and for today's video, gagawin ko ng demonstration yung pagko-color ko ng hair at home. So gagamit ako ng local brand or local product. This is Ashley Shine. So papakita ko sa inyo mamaya konti kung ano yung mga gagamitin ko for today's video. Now we have the gloves, developer, the colorant, and we have applicator and mixing bowl. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, i-mix nyo yung developer and yung colorant 1:1 ratio. Mix it very well. Then, after that, kailangan mo lang i-part yung hair mo para hindi ka mahirapan mag-apply ng mixture. So, mas madali talagang mag-apply kapag medyo hiniwa-hiwalay mo yung buhok mo. At least, hindi ka makakamiss ng ilang spot. So, evenly applied yung product sa hair mo. Hindi ko na tinouch yung bandang end ng roots ko kasi as you can see, black na yung hair ko doon, which is the virgin hair na. And, ilalagay ko lang yung mismong mixture doon sa part na meron na siyang previous color or yung mga na-bleach na part. So, tatapusin ko lang to and then we'll be right back. Leave the product for 25 to 30 minutes. Then after that, rinse thoroughly. Huwag kayong magsha-shampoo guys. Gamitin nyo lang is conditioner so that hindi mag-dry yung hair nyo. So, ito na yung finished product niya. As you can see, medyo nag-iiba yung color niya. Depending sa lighting. And, yun nga, medyo na-achieve niya naman yung color na naka-claim or na describe dun sa box. Though hindi talaga totally achieved. Nagmukha siyang balayage, pero konti lang. It's cute though. Nagustuhan ko naman yung payoff ng color niya. And, what else I can say? Yung developer pala, it depends on your hair color or yung lightness ng color ninyo sa buhok. So, if gagamit kayo ng 12% developer, it's advisable for medyo darker color na tone ng hair. And yung 9, which is para sa akin talaga kasi medyo light na yung hair ko. So, ang kagandahan dun sa color na in-apply ko sa hair ko is na-cancel out nga yung orange tone ng hair ko. Ayan. Then, yung 6% developer is for the very lightest tone ng color. So, yung medyo po whitish na yung hair color dahil sa bleaching agent na ginamit. So, ako nag-bleach lang ako last year, October. Again, ito yung product and yung may ribbon is yun yung pinaka-shade na nasa product na ginamit ko. Disclaimer lang guys, pwede kasing sa akin okay yung product, sa inyo hindi. So, hindi rin talaga advisable na lahat kayo ay gumawa ng ganitong bagay at home. In my case, kasi ginawa or ginamit ko na tong product nito many times before, especially last year, nag-start talaga akong mag-color ng hair ko. And it worked. So, try this at your own risk. Hopefully, kung nag-work sa akin, mag-work din sa inyo. And please leave some comments and feedbacks kung ano man yung gusto nyo sabihin. Thank you for watching!